Freya, kom. I have to just grab her. I'm Michelle Bird and I'm from San Francisco and I'm living now in Borgarnes. I'm a painter. I paint abstract works. I paint just about everything that comes to mind. I paint my dreams. When I start a painting, I basically I have a big box of paint and there are no caps. And I just kind of just start with something. I don't really think too much about it. It might, generally I start with one color and then that other color just kind of asks for another color. When I'm painting someone, they feel this intensity. We're very close to each other. We're within a meter. I think they truly sense that they're being appreciated, that I'm looking for what it is that makes them unique, what makes Victoria Victoria. And I think that that's a pure joy to capture somebody's essence in a short period of time, and that they're granting you this time. It's a luxury. Now here in my studio, I really want people to feel comfortable, to wear their favorite outfit, to wear something they love, to bring something they love. If it's an object, it's also fine. Just something that's meaningful to them, something that gives them a deeper sense of being. When people first see their portrait, I think they fall more in love with themselves. I like to think that.